Scotland's climate plan. Slow heat pump rollout amid broader decarbonization goals, Scotland has unveiled its 15-year climate change plan, confirming a phased approach to replacing gas and oil boilers with heat pumps. While the government emphasizes long-term economic and social benefits, critics point to a slow pace that risks missing key climate targets. Delayed heat pump expansion. The plan indicates significant heat pump installations won't accelerate for another decade. A timeline the Independent Climate Change Committee, CCC, has already labeled as too slow and risky. Despite a commitment to decarbonize heating by 2045, the bulk of emission reductions in this sector are projected to occur after 2035. Campaigners argue that 110,000 heat pumps should be installed within the next 5 years to stay on track. The government's current proposals fall short of this demand. This delay matters because heating accounts for a substantial portion of Scotland's carbon emissions, and rapid decarbonization is crucial to meet legally binding climate goals. Broader decarbonization efforts. The climate plan extends beyond heating, aligning with the UK's 5-yearly carbon budget system. Other key actions include phasing out petrol and diesel cars by 2030, planting 18,000 hectares of new woodland annually, restoring peatlands to enhance carbon storage. The Scottish Government projects these measures will generate £42.3 billion in financial benefits and cost savings by 2040. This shift is intended to create jobs and insulate consumers from volatile fossil fuel prices. UK-wide context and innovations. The announcement follows the UK government's decision to mandate solar panels and heat pumps in all new English homes. Smaller, self-installable solar panels, already popular in Europe, will soon be available in UK supermarkets. Scotland banned gas and oil heating in new builds 2 years ago, implementing the New Build Heat Standard, which allows for wood burners alongside heat pumps and district heating systems. Scotland currently leads the rest of the UK in heat pump adoption, with an 18% increase in installations from 2023-2024. Economic and social transition. Climate Action Secretary Gillian Martin framed the plan as a roadmap for economic and social gains. She highlighted the growth potential in renewables, heat networks, and the circular economy, emphasizing simultaneous decarbonization and improved living standards. This plan is not just about emissions. It's about economic opportunity, job creation, and a fairer, more sustainable future for Scotland. The plan's long-term success hinges on accelerating heat pump deployment, investing in grid infrastructure, and securing public buy-in. While Scotland aims to be a climate leader, the pace of change remains a critical factor in achieving its ambitious goals.